Hi viewers. Now today's recipe is an exactly Indo-Chinese street style recipe that is nothing else but veg momos. So let's get into the recipe and check out. So firstly add 1.5 cup of maida or flour, salt according to your taste and a little of oil. Add water as required and make it into a soft and smooth dough and rest it for about 15 minutes. Now take a deep kadai and add in 1 cup of cabbage, 1 onion, half cup of carrot, half tablespoon of salt and half tablespoon of pepper. So I've basically blended all these veggies so that they're uniform throughout. Now we'll roll the rested dough. It's recommended to rest the dough with damp cloth. So for this you need to roll it nice and good and then cut it into equal portions. Now in this I'm going to show you two ways of plating. So basically this is a different kind of plating. I have another kind of plating in my chicken momos recipe. So do check that recipe out for another kind. So firstly we'll roll it flat. Make sure that it is thick in the middle and very thin at the edges. So this is how it should be. Now making this little thick also will affect the quality of your momos. Now we'll carefully take it, add 1 tablespoon of the stuffing and then roll it as shown from both the edges throughout, then putting it the other way around and just shaping it as the flower. Now if you find this difficult, I have another way also. We have to just put a little of the stuffing and start plating it throughout and then just join it at the end. So this is such a simple recipe and then you have to just plate it like that only. Now here I have a steam basket. This is what a steam basket is. So you can also use a idli steamer for this recipe. So now I'm going to place all the momos. Make sure there's a little space in between momos to avoid sticking of momos, and we have to steam them until they turn translucent. It'll take about 10 to 15 minutes. And then enjoy it. Basically I like it with Szechuan sauce. So this is such a simple recipe. Do try it and let us know how it has been there in the comment section.